Hey guys, it's Tiny Tom Logan back with another video for you. Yes, the audio doesn't particularly match the video because I've had to come back to the hotel room to do some voiceover because the room was incredibly busy. So it's my first video of Computex 2026 and I've gone to an early Asus press event where they've shown us an awful lot of black and gold hardware. The ones I'm going to highlight for you today, you will be able to buy this as a complete rig, but you can also buy a lot of it in pieces as well. So that rig that you're seeing is going to be called the G1000, but it's all edition 20 because it's their 20th anniversary. And I was really shocked by the case, if I'm honest. That's going to be called the GR20 edition 20. It's an open frame case. You can have it stood up, you can have it 45 degrees, or you can lay it down flat as well. I was quite surprised because there's a blower fan in the bottom and it's one of those cylindrical fans, and I've seen these in cases and stuff in the past, and I've always been quite skeptical, so I really want to see whether this is like really noisy, but the idea is it's going to help keep the M.2s in your rig that bit cooler because you are going to have air flowing over it. Now, something else that you can see on there is the Astral Edition 20. It's a 5090. You can see it's got that massive wraparound screen on it. The heatsink is bigger, the card is thicker. They've gone to town with it, basically. Some of the finer details on it are beautiful. It does really make it stand out. I don't think what the price of this card's going to be. Obviously it's a 5090 to start off with, then we've got the Asus tax, then we've got the fact it is going to be so limited. One of the other things was the Crosshair X870E edition 20. Now the weird thing with this is, yes, you've got a limited edition motherboard, but it's so limited edition it actually does come with the AIO as well. So the AIO cools the VRMs as well as the CPU, so it's like a direct contact one. You've got that massive screen on the top, which you can actually pivot as well. It's a 420mm AIO as well, so that's 3 times 140mm fans. I'm still quite shocked that it's for the board only. And they will be sold as a pair. Now, obviously, it'd be difficult for you to be able to bolt that to other boards, but I'm now kind of hoping that we're going to see an AIO that, like this, that you're going to be able to use on other motherboards. So not necessarily cooling the VRM and everything, but just taking this overall aesthetic and then opening it up to more people at home. But the size of that screen, it's just... I want to say it's overpowering, but it's not. It's just, it does draw you in. There's special software that you're going to get so that you can link the graphics card and the AIO together if you're lucky enough to have a pair, or you end up buying the complete system. But it's... Yeah, I was really surprised by this, if I'm honest. And I actually really want to get my hands on the case as well, just so that I can have a play with it. But I'm going to suppose that if you get the case, you're going to want the graphics card, you're going to want the motherboard, you're going to end up going all in. Now, one of the other things that they did show us was a 3,000 watt ROG Thor Titanium 3. So I think they said it could power... was it 3 or 4 5090s? They said, I can't remember. Obviously, you're only going to have one hanging off of it, but 3,000 watts. And one of the things that they've done is the monitor panel on the side, you can now remove it and have it somewhere else in your system. It's magnetic, so rather than it being hidden away like it would do with the majority of cases, you can now put it round beneath the motherboard as you're seeing in the B-roll, or you can have it stuck outside the case as well if you wanted. There was lots of other things. There was new chair. They're going to start doing lifestyle stuff. So they've got a rucksack coming. There's hard shell luggage coming. There's a new router. So one of the big spider routers that we're all used to seeing, edition 20 as well. There's a new mouse. There's a new keyboard. All edition 20 limited stuff. But if you want to see more, please click the link underneath or go to the OC3D website. Keep up to date with us there. We will be doing many more videos. We will be covering as much from Computex as we possibly can do. But thanks very much for tuning in. I will be back with another video soon.